Hey beautiful people out there, today I'm going to share my experience one time trip from Secunderabad to Tirupati. Drove by car from Secunderabad via Kurnool, Nandyala, Kadapa and Tirupati on NH44 highway. We started at 11:30 am in the morning. Jachala route was quite busy. Until Kadapa, there's 4-lane road and journey was quite comfortable. From Kadapa to Tirupati, road is congested because of 2-lane roads and journey may get delayed. Secunderabad to Tirupati, the distance is 560 kilometers by road, which took 7 hours drive to reach Tirupati. I suggest you to start the journey early mornings so that you can enjoy the bleak golden sunrise. We reached Tirupati by 8. As we halted at different places, it took a bit long for us. We checked into the hotel at 8:30. Guys, I'm going to show you the hotel in the daytime. Day 2. The hotel in which we stayed is Marasa Sarovar Premier, which is located at the base of Thirumala hills and 15 minutes away from Lord Venkateshwara temple. Inspired by the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu, it is the closest 5-star luxury hotel to the sacred temple. Avatars are the key themes which are quite interesting. Each room is assigned a different avatar's name, such as Pool Courtyard is named as Matsya, which is one of the Dashavatar. This is the front desk where we need to check in. It is quite spacious with opulent furniture and chandeliers. Pool Courtyard and the bar is located here. You need to get onto the stairs for the bar. And here's my room. Each room has refined amenities with complimentary toiletries. Room is quite spacious, which has TV and furniture. It also has cloth rack, hair dryer, a kettle to brew tea and coffee, and a locker to save precious items. It has a western toilet and a shower cubicle too. Each room offers spectacular view of either the rolling Thirumala hills or the hotel's astonishing water bodies. Varaha room offers you games and it's a play zone. As it is a pandemic, most of the facilities are seized in the hotel. Breakfast menu has some scrumptious food and I'm really in love with it. Aha! Pool courtyard, which is one of my favorite places. It has some lounger recliner chairs and is a recreative center. And you're not supposed to dive because the water is not deep. There's a note that you're supposed to bath before you enter the pool. And the other side is Varaha room. This is Lotus Cave, which is not in use as it is a pandemic situation now. Straight down the Varaha room, you have an idol stove. This is the lounge. On the right side of the lounge, you'll find Parsuram Gym. Hotel provides you with fully equipped modern gymnasium. This is the lobby where hotel cars are parked. Now it's 8 a.m. in the morning and we are going to Thirumala to seek the blessings of Sri Venkateshwara Swami. Venkateshwara Swami temple is located on hill. It is one of the most visited Hindu religion sites. Tirupati marks the beginning of uphill journey through the 7 hills. The journey through these enchanting hills leads to the temple town of Thirumala. Journey is long, beginning at the bottom of the hills at Tirupati. There's a security check at the bottom. There are 2 ways to reach Venkateshwara Swami temple. One is to take a drive through Seshachalam road and you will reach within 45 minutes. The other route is Srivari Mettu route and Alipiri Mettu route, which is popular in many. We choose to drive through Seshachalam road, whereas my friends choose Alipiri Mettu route. We reached within 45 minutes and our friends reached within 3 hours. Devotees take a vow that if their wish were fulfilled, will walk to the temple or offer hair to Sri Venkateshwara Swami. We had 30 minutes of wait time at Kalyanakatta. To seek the glory of Sri Venkateshwara Swami, in general the wait time would be 10 hours or even sometimes more. But because of the pandemic situation and limitation, there wasn't any wait time. We reached Garbhagriha in no time and seek the glory of Sri Venkateshwara Swami. We reached hotel by 3 p.m. We had our lunch in Marasa Sarovar Premier, but I'm quite not happy with the lunch menu. We wanted to taste different flavors of food, so we went on to the other restaurant, Hotel Bliss. And I must say the appetizers were really very tasty. Day 3, it's time for us to move back to Hyderabad. We drove back home in the same route. We halted at Katinga restaurant while driving back to Hyderabad. Here's the menu. It was really spicy.